Hello. My name is Benny Carver, and this is a quick review on a product called Simple Traffic Solutions, and by a very successful marketer. His name is John Thornhill, and I've gotten some of John Thornhill's products, and he has really good products. And I just wanted to shoot this quick review for you. This is going to be geared towards anyone who is looking for traffic. As you and I know, from as a marketer, you can't go wrong with getting traffic, more and more traffic, all the traffic that you can get. That's the way I am. That's the way I see it. Because if you're not getting traffic, you're not going to get sales. You're not getting sales. You really don't have a business. You're not going to make any money. And we're here to make money. So anytime I can learn something that's going to help me to get more traffic, that's going to help me, I never stop learning, and I hope that you're the same way. So I just wanted to share this quick review. Stay to the end. It's not going to be long, and if you don't mind, if you would just hit that subscribe button, I will be doing more reviews on different products, in the future and things of that nature. So the first thing is it says discover the insider secrets to generating all the traffic your website can handle without ever spending a single cent. That I don't know about you, but that sounds very intriguing. But this is a marketer who has done it, who's tried it, who's perfected it, and it all came about when he used to have Google AdWords account, and his account got suspended. And it came out of the blue. I mean, it came out of nowhere with no explanation or anything like that. And so he made a decision to not rely solely on Google ads, because those things can happen, and there's other marketers who have said that has happened to them as well. Getting banned, out of nowhere, no explanation or anything like that. So it's very, very shaky to just depend on Google. So nothing. I mean, he still gets some traffic from Google, but not solely. But he's going to show you step by step of how you can, get a lot of traffic to your sites and offers and things of that nature. As you can see right here, he says, I don't rely on Google for any of his traffic. He doesn't rely at all. And these are just some of the shots of his hits that he's gotten with this method. So as you can see, there's a lot of hits there. It says that's over 2 billion page impressions. That's quite incredible if you ask me. But again, the product name is Simple Traffic Solutions, as you see it right here. And he has some 20 powerful traffic modules in multi-format, different formats included with this product. He got the PDF reports right here, the step-by-step worksheets. So he had put this together in thinking of those marketers that are really struggling to get traffic on a consistent basis. And then he has some reviews from other marketers who have utilized this system, have done well, have gotten results. Mind you, they had to take action, but by taking action and following the directions, they got results. So these are all the people that just giving, testimonials and things of that nature. So you're going to learn a whole lot of different things with this. It says, let me be straight with you. Driving traffic and making a tons of sales is not brain surgery. It's not difficult to do, and you can do it on a consistent basis, but only when you have the correct formula in place. So he's just letting us know, hey, you can do the same thing if you have the right formula. And how do you get started? It tells you right here how you get started with this. You get a complete training program. It's a complete training program that he could normally sell for $197 or $297 or even more because of the value of what you're getting. But it's a complete package for online profits. And you get 100% money back guarantee, 60-day guarantee. So you really don't have anything to lose. You get exclusive bonuses. And I'll mention about the price in a minute. I don't mind mentioning that because it really is a no-brainer. It's only $47, but you're not going to pay that if you take advantage of the 75% off that you're actually going to get if you go ahead and take advantage of it right now. You're getting a 75% discount out of that $49 or $47. So that's an incredible discount. And so I can't tell you, for what you're going to get. And you can go, what I recommend, just go click on the link at the bottom, go through this on your own time, and make a decision. If you want more traffic, if you want to learn some more things, some new techniques, like I said, you can't go wrong with learning more and learning how to, possibly, change your whole situation with get more traffic. So that's what I would recommend. And again, you don't want to miss out on this 75% off. I've missed out on things because I drug my feed and I overthought it and things of that nature. And then when I went back, that the discount was gone, and then I just kicked myself because it ended up being a really good product. So again, this is my review on Simple Traffic Solutions. I definitely recommend it. You're not gonna start out getting 16,000 hits or anything right off the top, but over time, as you put it to action and as you apply it and follow the directions, you can start to get significant amount of traffic, and not just one day here, one day there, but on a consistent everyday basis. So just check it out. Like I said, it's you make that decision. I'm just giving you the review on it. I recommend it. And again, just click on the link below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to add anything in the comments, don't forget to do that. I don't really do a lot of reviews, but I'm going to start to do more and more as time goes on. So thank you for listening, and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.